All right, Ben, but we begin with breaking news we're following from Monroe. Daniel Clay sentenced to life in prison without parole for the murder of Chelsea Bruck. Thanks for being with us. At 4 o'clock, we heard from Chelsea's mother and her forgiveness of Daniel Clay.
And now we're getting to see for the first time the emotion inside the courtroom since the judge would not allow us to air live video of the sentencing. We bring in Jason Colthorpe from Monroe. Jason.
Justice for Chelsea completed today, guys. Now 990 days after she went missing. And you can imagine this emotional roller coaster it's been for people in this community, her family. We saw a lot of it when Clay was convicted. And of course, today, while there were some tears, there were a lot more joyful hugs, handshakes, and smiles. Daniel Clay's life sentence for murdering Chelsea Bruck was expected. His exchange with Chelsea's mom, Leanda, was not.
And I will live with this for every day for the remainder of my life. It'll be something that I will wake up thinking about, something that I will go to sleep thinking about.
We've done that for 33 months.
I'm really sorry for everything.
Clay's apology meant nothing to the judge.
What's very clear to me, Mr. Clay, you're a liar, a rapist, and a killer.
22-year-old Chelsea Bruck was last seen at a Halloween party October 26, 2014. Around 3 a.m., Clay gave her a ride home and she was never seen again. 6 months later, her body was found in a remote wooded area of northern Monroe County by a homeowner. A long and exhaustive investigation ended with the arrest of Clay on July 22, 2016. After a 6-day trial, he was convicted of first-degree murder May 16th.
We still expect her to walk in the back door.
Afterward, Chelsea Bruck's mom talked about being able to forgive Clay.
I knew that if I did not forgive him, it would destroy me. It would eat away at me. And as I said in the courtroom, we all have to stand before our Lord someday and answer for what we did and did not do.
And throughout what she said in court and afterward, you can tell Leanda and Matt Bruck leaning heavily on their Catholic faith through all of this. She also had a lasting message in this, and that is, don't leave your friends alone, referring to what Chelsea went through at that party. Don't leave your friends alone, and if you see something, say something. And it's also important to note how many law enforcement and prosecutor employees were at the sentencing today, showing their support, a lot of them who've become very close with the Bruck family throughout all of this. We're in Monroe. Jason Colthorpe, Local 4.
Jason, though, we also need to mention Daniel Clay is also facing charges in a separate rape case.
He is. As a matter of fact, before he goes away and is never heard from again, he will be sentenced for that. He was found guilty. He'll be sentenced August 16th for being convicted of criminal sexual conduct in the first degree, a similar case. Not a stranger, but someone he barely knew. That happened after he murdered Chelsea Bruck.
All right, Jason. Kim?